Hey friend, hey, welcome to Stay Calm and Budget. Today it's time to do a budget with me. We got some money's going out. So let's see how much we'll have left over. Stay tuned. Hey friend, hey, welcome back to Stay Calm and Budget. Today we're doing a budget with me for our first paycheck in May, and we're going to be using Salisa's from Beautifully Me and You Easy Cash Budget Planner. And yeah, so let's turn to May. So I've already written in all of the categories and everything that we're going to be listing out to make this go faster. And as you see, this is our last month and everything that was changed and everything that was paid, but that's nor here nor there. We're working on this one, so let's move you beautiful souls in. All right, boom, and we're in. So like I said, this is going to be our first paycheck in May. I get paid on the 4th and my wife get paid on the 6th, so that's why you see two dates here. It's not 4/6, it is May 4th and May 6th. So we're going to be using our purple marker, Sharpie Ultra Fine Permanent Markup, and let's get this going. So of course I'm just going to go ahead and put the 200 in. We always do an extra 200. Our house altogether, we bought in $5,905.15, which that gives us a total of, we're not even gonna do it. We're gonna bring in Old Reliable right here, and we're gonna do 5,905.15 plus 200. I mean, I could have did that, right? It's only 200. I just had to carry the one, but I don't care. All right, we have $6,105.15. All right, moving down, looking at all of our bills, we have ISPC, insurance, water system, the car, Navy Federal, Allied, the phone bill, the water bill, my line of credit, another Navy Federal, Best Buy, SunPass, Kaimana, which is the daycare, and then we have Duke again. We had Duke last time, but if you remember in my other videos, I was saying that I had a little flood, and so with all of the fans and the dehumidifiers and humidifiers and all that good jazz going, your girl's electric bill was just redonkulous. It was redonkulous. But so I just want to get ahead of that. And the good thing is, because we have solar, that did help with the bill, but it's still there. So with me paying the extra amount this go around, will get us back down to what we need to be. So with that being said, I'm going to write in all of these amounts and then total it up and come back. So you know what it is. Fast forward ya. Okay, so we got a total of $3,768.33 for our bill. So let's write that here. $3,768.33. And let's take that from this amount, which is 6105.15, subtract 3,768.33, and that leaves us with amount to stuff of $2,336.82. Alrighty, so real quick, some of these bills went up. As you see, I told you guys about the Duke, which was $185, but then this one right here, this one went up because we got a new I finally got my wife to transition over to the iPhone. So you know how when you're doing the trade-ins and blah blah blah, and they do this and that, and activation fee and blah blah blah, your bill go up and then it go down, blah blah blah. So yeah, that's that. I guess we got to do this about 2 more times, maybe 3, for the girls when we transition them over as well. But that'll be a little ways down the line. And then with our car, it's usually $872, but I realized that when I do pay the car, because it's through a system or whatever, it charges you a fee, and I never account for the fee. And I'm like, I put the money in and I'm realizing, oh crap, I gotta add the fee. So now I'm budgeting the fee in. That's one thing I always forget to do. Do you guys forget to do that? Or do you guys budget in, if there is like a transaction fee, do you budget that in when you are writing down your bills? Okay, we're gonna move on down to the cash envelopes. This really don't change unless it's time to do a grocery haul, but groceries, I usually do $400. Wife's gas, I do $150. Wife's personal is $100. My gas for that big beautiful beast is $200, and my personal is $100, which gives us, this is $400, $550, $650, $850, $950. So $950 for our cash envelopes. Question, I was thinking about this driving the other day. As I'm watching some people's videos, and they're talking about grocery and they're talking about household. When I talk about grocery, it's not just food. I'm talking about anything with the dog food, anything that's like toilet paper and laundry detergent, and anything dealing with the house. I just lump that into groceries because majority of the time I get it at the grocery store. So I just lump all that into groceries. Do you guys have your budget set up for groceries, just food, and then household as far as, you know, air fresheners, toiletry items, body wash, deodorant? Do you guys, like, is it separate or do you combine it? I combine mine. Just a question. Okay, anywho, moving down, we are taking $950 from $2,336.82. So that is $950, subtract that. We're left with $1,386.82. So let's write that here. Oh crap, I think I remember it. 1,386.82, right? Okay, let me see. How did I push the button? All right, where were we? No, it wasn't a 2, it was 2,336.82, and we're subtracting 950. I think I wrote that, yeah. All right, so let's move on to our sinking funds. All right, our sinking funds that we're gonna be doing right now, I told you that I was gonna move off hair last time. So what we're gonna do, we always have to do HOA, emergency fund, home improvement, car maintenance, allowance, debt snowball, Christmas, buffer, and look what's back. My brother, he's on his grind. So let's see how much we got for them. So we have, let me turn it to the side because I am a righty and I gotta be all, you know, Anywho, HOA, let's get in frame. Matter of fact, let's bring you out just a little bit. There we go, that's better. So HOA always gets, am I in frame, you guys? Okay, I can't really see, so 63. And then we're doing 60 for the emergency fund. Home improvement gets 50. Car maintenance gets 20. Allowance gets 40. We're doing $300 for our debt snowball this go around. Christmas is going to do 90. Buffer, we do the 300 that stays in our account, and my brother at the moment has sent $179. For the e-fund, No, not for the e-fund. Which one was it? I think it was Christmas. It was Christmas and something else. I think it was the e-fund where I was like, I asked Siri to pick a number, and this child picked the biggest numbers. I said, really? Siri must be talking to my wife. They must be in cahoots or something, because I don't think that's fair. All right, anywho, let's add up these numbers and see how much our sinking funds come out to. All right, I'm going to leave y'all out so you won't be so close and it don't look like my whole hand is in the camera. But all right, our sinking funds came out to $1,102, and we're going to clear that and bring back $1,386.82. We're going to subtract $1,102, and that leaves us a total of $284.82. Now, our save with Batty, I don't even know where it is, but when I scratched it off, we were at, hold on, let me find it. Okay. So when I scratched it off for week 3, and I said last time, if she did week 3 and 4, by the time I do my budget with me, then I would scratch off both and I would stuff both. But when I scratched off week 3, it was a whole heart. And I was like, oh, okay, does that mean I skip? I don't know what that means. So I guess I skipped week 3 and I scratched off week 4, which was $5. So that's what we're going to do for this go round. I'm going to have to ask her, what does the heart mean? Does it mean, you know, to scratch off something else or what? But for right now, I'm just going to I'll put a heart and I will do $5 for week 4. So let's go ahead and write that there. Move you to the side. Okay, so for the 100 envelope challenge, I asked to do a couple of numbers. So altogether we are going to be doing 250. I don't know what it is, 58. I wrote it down on my cheat sheet over here. I wanted to start another envelope challenge, which was out of the Baddies Savings Challenge book. Right here, you'll see more of this once I do my savings challenge video. But I want to just starting out $20 here, and then our BAJ, which is our big ass jar, we're gonna end up putting $1 in there. So all of those added up is 5 plus 2, 5, 8 plus 20 plus 1, and we have $284. Let's see. So with that being said, it looks like our remaining would be $82. Now it's time to do checks and balances. And let's switch I want to switch my, I'm thinking green. What y'all thinking? I'm thinking green. If I can find the green, let's see. I found teal. Green is in here, oh, it's over here. Green. All right, checks and balances. So our total income was $6,105.15. Our cash envelopes, $950. I'm going slow this time because I always mess up on this part. Our sinking funds, $1,102. Our savings came out to $284, and our debt repayment, which is our bills, is $3,768.33. All right, you guys, we should have a zero balance or like some change left over. Here we go. And we're gonna do this right because Old Reliable is gonna do me right. We got this, y'all. So we have $6,105.15. Subtract $950. Subtract $1,102. Subtract $284. Subtract $3,768.33. Y'all, I did it. Oh, it came out to 82 cents. Zero budget. I did it, y'all. I did it. I did it. Okay. Anyway, it's a shame when you get this happy when you don't mess up on your checks and balances. Like, y'all, I did this budget with me. I did it. Thumbs up. Okay. All right. I'm super happy. Y'all just don't know. Anywho, thank you guys for rocking with me. Till next time, please like, share, subscribe, comment, do all the things, please, and thank you. Keep it moving, keep it going, keep it growing. You guys got this. Take a step at a time. I can do it. You can do it too. Till I talk to you guys later, where we stuff this money. I love you and see you soon. Bye.